Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of see how many more Brainrots invasions you'll need to defeat to unlock a biome in Plants vs. Brainrots. So this is if you didn't really count the Brainrots invasions from the start, you'll need 25 to unlock a biome, but this is for if you didn't count. So, Noobini King is invasion 1 to 5. Tim Cheese is invasion 6 to 10. Los Tralaleritos invasion 11 to 15. Orangatini Anasassini invasion 16 to 20. Orcalero Orcala invasion 21 to 25. Galactic Girafanto invasion 26 to 30. Underworld Pizzaione invasion 31 to 35. Galactic Girafanto Part 2 is invasion 36 to 40. Pirate I do not know how to pronounce that. Pirate Kadabra and Blue Octopus invasion 41 to 45. Elephant Guide and Moss King is invasion 46 to 50, and that will be kind of like the third biome you'll have. And Commander Kura invasion 51 to 55. They did add new storylines, but I haven't reached that one yet. I'm actually still on Pirate. But you will have 4 biomes if you've, I think, reached like level 75. So probably start counting after Commander Kura, which is invasion 51 to 55, because I have not reached that level yet. And you'll unlock the cherry biome. I don't remember what it was called, but the one after the desert biome is the jungle one. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.